Hello there. In this tutorial, we will learn how to check how much money a business really has using Odoo Accounting. We will use Muebles Orden 4 as our example. We will review its bank balance, viable cash, customer invoices, and vendor bills. We will open the accounting application. Odoo displays the accounting dashboard. Each card represents a journal used to organize the company's finance transactions. From dashboards, we can review bank transactions, cash invoices, and payments. The amount invoices is not always the same as the money currently available. First, we will review the company's balance account. Here we can see the money received from the customers and the payments made by the business. Muebles Orden 4 currently has a bank balance of 112,066 pesos, Mexican pesos. Now, we will review the company's cash journal. The available cash balance is 112,000 pesos. Bank and cash represent money that the company can currently use. So, now we will review the customer invoices. Muebles Orden 4 has 3 invoices with a total value of 112,056 Mexican pesos. All 3 invoices are paid, and the remaining account due is 0. However, this total does not necessarily represent the money that the company still has today. The business may have used part of the money to pay suppliers, purchase materials, or cover our expenses. So, this customer invoice has not been paid yet. The amount represents this money the company expects to receive. However, this money is not available in the bank cash account yet. Odoo always uses to identify which invoices are paid and which are still pending. So, vendor bill shows money that the company must pay. The bills represent the future cash out for Muebles Orden 4. The money has not left the bank account yet, but the company must consider this obligation. Odoo helps the company review both incoming and accounted amounts. Review the company's financial position using the balance sheets. Under assets, we can find the company's bank and cash accounts. Other assets, such as inventory and accounts receivable, have value but they are not immediately available as a cash. The bank balance is 2025 Mexican pesos. Together, Muebles Orden 4 currently has this money available for the bank. In summary, sales profit and available cash are different precepts. This helps the company understand how much money it really has and make better finance decisions. Thank you for watching.